All right, guys, welcome back to another vlog. Sophia and Noah are here, and today, guys, we are basically finishing up our Great Wolf Lodge days. We're gonna be heading back, so you guys will probably get this like little road trip montage. But we're gonna be trying out the campfire kitchen for breakfast before we leave, and then we're gonna head on the road. So yeah, we'll see you guys at the breakfast. If this look doesn't say joy, I don't know what does. So excited. Alright, so as you guys can see behind me, campfire kitchen, we're here. We are gonna show you guys some of the food. We're waiting for the server for drink orders and then buffet style, so we'll see what that means. Alright. You excited? Any of this?
Sure.
Which one?
The patty. I know I want these.
You want this sausage or do you want the wings? There's one links over there. You want some of those over there?
Yeah.
You want some pancakes?
Here's my food. I got yogurt, pancakes, sausage patty, mac and cheese, eggs, and he got pancakes, chicken nuggets, and a sausage patty.
Yep.
And I've tried the yogurt a little bit, and it's really good, so I'm going to continue eating that. We are in this store called Showcase right now. Here's what it looks like. They've got Funko Pops, Bitty Pops, all the things. Look.
I saw that's Dog Day. They have Catnap, Liberty Chica, Tie-Dye Springtrap.
Where's Liberty Chica? We've made it into FYE, where we're gonna be looking around and stuff. So I'm excited. This almost makes me think of Squid Games.
That's a PlayStation logo.
I know, but it almost makes me think of Squid Games.
Probably gonna want to time lapse all these stores.
We have stumbled upon the
Bass Pro Shop.
Mm-hmm.
And she's never been to one, so I had to take her in there. You guys know I gotta represent my archery fam. But yeah, so these are
I've never been,
hunting
so this
chairs.
is... Huh?
Yeah, why don't you show the camera then? So hunting tree chairs.
I don't get it.
You would sit up there.
Oh.
You sit in that chair.
Oh, okay. We have made it into the Lego store.
That's cool. Oh, I'm tired today, guys. We woke up really early.
The Lego store. I'm gonna get the Wicked. I'm gonna get this Wicked set.
Just remember, you gotta save money.
We made it to the Cheesecake Factory.
You don't want to wait. Trust me, their waits get long.
I've never been to the Cheesecake Factory before, and we made it to one. We're inside the Cheesecake Factory. It's so cool here. It's fancy. I'm gonna figure out like what's going on with my vlog that's supposed to be up today, but we just finished Cheesecake Factory and we have this big bag of stuff to bring home to the parents, and yeah, I am excited to try the rest of my cheesecake when I get home. But I had the peanut butter cup ripple. Oh my heavens, that was good. We're at a gas station right now, but we're about to go home. I'm holding all the food. So yeah, I will talk to you more when we get home.